Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, I'm Za and this is Za Canada. Well, today we have a new topic and it says on the news that Canada is prioritizing work permit applications for priority occupations. So anong ibig sabihin niyang topic na yan? We are going to talk about that further. Huwag aalis. So, basically, good news ito kasi if you get an employer with an open LMIA or with the current positive LMIA at nakuha ka as a nurse, as a doctor, as a worker in a farm, then if you submit your application for work permits at KIRCC, it's possible that they are going to process it faster. Kapag mas mabilis ang application, mas mabilis kang makapupunta dito sa Canada. Which is good news. Kasi, bakit ito good news? Napag-usapan natin last time about backlogs. There are so much backlogs in IRCC. And when they release their news that they are going to prioritize or they are going to approve most applications as long as it's legitimate, the worker is qualified, which means that they are going to give the work permit automatically to these people who qualify for that job. Tapos, ano ba talaga ang nangyayari dito? So, basically, may priority processing sila sa mga selected occupations. First is yung healthcare. Alam naman natin na there is always a scarcity of nurses and doctors and other people that are working in the healthcare industry dito sa Canada. So if you are one of those lucky person na nakakuha ng LMIA, Provincial Nominee Program sa mga province na nangangailangan ng mga healthcare workers, then you can eventually apply for a work permit to IRCC, and after maybe a couple of weeks or in a matter of days, maybe may kilala ko na kasasubmit lang ng application niya, like after a week, nakuha niya na yung work permit niya. Mabilis lang yung mga bagay-bagay. And here are some of the occupations na mabilis yung processing. Registered nurses and psychiatric nurses, general practitioners and family doctors, nurse practitioners, medical lab technologists, pharmacists, nurse aides, orderlies, at marami pang iba. You can always check the link on the description box. I'm going to put it there. And hindi lang sa nurse, meron ding mga agriculture and agri-food jobs. Just like butchers, meat cutters and fishmongers, harvesting workers, livestock laborers, food and seafood processing workers, and many more. And most probably, may mga magtatanong naman sa inyo, paano po ba talaga makapunta sa Canada? Or gusto ko po makapunta agad kay Canada. You have to make sure you know how to qualify. Manood ng mga video ko and you will find out how you can qualify for your for a bigger chance to come here to Canada. Okay? First one is you have to make sure that your job offer is included or the exact NOC code is specified to that employer. Okay? Next, dapat consistent ang job duties, offer letter, and application. So, for example, if you are applying for a nurse, make sure that the job that you had before was a nurse. you have all the certificate, and you all have all the qualification to be a nurse here in Canada. Tapos, kung meron ka na yan, then, the job offer that is being given to you is tantamount or equal to the job that you had before. Okay? Or at least related to your previous work experience or educational background. And it must be employer specific. Open, pero ang open work permit, syempre, hindi kasama dito. Okay? There is a different qualification in order for you to apply for an open work permit. And, of course, you have to make sure you have to double check everything. Kung kailangan yung i-triple check yan o pang-apat na check pa just to make sure na lahat planchado. Walang mali sa application nyo. Walang typo error, walang mga maling dates, and all that. Good news ito kasi some of these jobs or occupation or NOC code are clear pathway to PR. Again, clear pathway. Hindi ko sinasabi na automatic mapi-PR kayo kapag nakakuha kayo ng job under those NOC code. You have to always check the qualifications and syempre dapat yung CRS score nyo mataas, or if you are under the provincial nominee program, kung may nomination certificate na kayo, then may additional 600 points kayo. Again, check nyo kung saan kayo pwedeng ma-qualify. And if you can join the jobs in RCIP, so if you are going to watch my previous video about RCIP, that is one of the clearest pathway for PR right now. Kung makakakuha kayo ng job sa designated employer sa North Bay area. So there you have it. Ayan ang tinatawag na faster processing for some of the work permits. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And laging tatandaan, hindi kailangan maraming pera, basta may peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.